Hello again, audience. Welcome to Machines Visit, where today we're thrilled to showcase an incredible array of powerful machines, cutting-edge tools, and groundbreaking inventions you won't want to miss. So, strap in and dive into a world of awe-inspiring innovation and excitement. Number 1. Volvo 105-ton R100. Kicking things off is the massive Volvo 105-ton R100, a standout in Volvo's lineup of robust heavy-duty trucks. This enormous excavator is built to tackle the toughest digging projects with ease. A true giant in construction, the Volvo 105-ton R100 delivers an impressive digging force of 520 Newton-meters, effortlessly managing hefty loads. Its advanced hydraulic system provides pinpoint control, making it ideal for large-scale excavation tasks. Number 2. Volvo A60H. Next up is the Volvo A60H, a colossal dump truck redefining hauling excellence. With an astounding 60-ton payload capacity, it's the pinnacle of heavy-duty performance. The Volvo A60H boasts a cutting-edge drivetrain that optimizes power allocation, ensuring superior traction on tough terrains. Its roomy cab and sophisticated suspension system offer unmatched operator comfort. Number 3. Bastin GmbH. Now, let's dive into the revolutionary Bastin GmbH tool, transforming road construction and maintenance. Founded in 1987 and headquartered in Germany, Bastin GmbH specializes in high-quality metal components using advanced techniques like CNC machining, die casting, and stamping to deliver tailored solutions. Their automated road marking machine, the Bastin GmbH, blends precision and efficiency, utilizing state-of-the-art technology to create accurate road markings while slashing time and effort for maintenance tasks. Number 4. Optimas Paving Specialist. Meet the Optimas Paving Specialist, a remarkable machine that simplifies laying paving stones and bricks. Equipped with innovative suction technology and a precise control system, it guarantees flawless accuracy in crafting durable, stunning paved surfaces. Number 5. Crawler USA. Prepare to be wowed by Crawler USA, a phenomenal remote-controlled robotic platform that conquers rugged terrains effortlessly. Crawler USA, a company specializing in crawler-mounted drilling equipment for industries like exploration, geotechnical, environmental, construction, and mining, offers rigs, bits, and comprehensive training. Their robotic platform, equipped with powerful hydraulic legs and a sturdy suspension system, navigates challenging landscapes, making it perfect for search and rescue or hazardous environment exploration. Number 6. Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler by United Forklift and Access Solutions. Now, let's spotlight the Konecranes Heavy-Duty Tire Handler, an exceptional creation from United Forklift and Access Solutions, a global leader in material handling and an authorized Konecranes dealer in Australia. Designed to manage massive tires for mining trucks and heavy vehicles, this handler can lift tires up to 16,000 kilograms and 4 meters in diameter. Its hydraulic system ensures precise movement for safe and efficient tire positioning, while the cab features safety systems like rollover protection (ROPS) and falling object protection (FOPS). Number 7. Edmolift AB. Next, we have the Edmolift AB, a versatile lifting solution that streamlines material handling across industries. This compact, adaptable lifting platform integrates seamlessly into existing setups, ideal for loading and unloading heavy items from trucks, boosting productivity and minimizing injury risks. Number 8. Leister World. Get ready to be captivated by Leister World, a pioneering company specializing in industrial heating and plastic welding solutions. Their cutting-edge hot air blowers and welding machines deliver precision and efficiency across applications, from manufacturing to roofing, ensuring top-quality results and enhanced productivity. Number 9. Volvo L350H, Volvo EC950F, Volvo SD115B, and Volvo PL4611 pipe layer. Let's celebrate Volvo's lineup of exceptional machines. The Volvo L350H wheel loader blends remarkable power with fuel efficiency, effortlessly handling heavy loads in construction and mining. The Volvo EC950F excavator offers outstanding performance and reliability, tackling demanding digging and lifting tasks with ease. The Volvo SD115B, a nimble soil compactor, delivers optimal compaction with smart features and ergonomic design. Finally, the Volvo PL4611 pipe layer excels in precise pipeline installation, with advanced hydraulics and impressive lifting capacity for the oil and gas industry. Number 10. Parkit 360. Rounding out our list is the Parkit 360, a revolutionary solution for trailer maneuvering and parking. These electric trailer movers eliminate the struggle of manual positioning, with compact designs and powerful motors that make navigating tight spaces or rough terrain a breeze. Komatsu D575A. The Komatsu D575A, a dozer with a 1,150 horsepower, 860 kilowatts engine and weighing approximately 157 tons, is a marvel. Its Super Dozer variant stands 16 feet tall, stretches 41 feet long, and wields a 24-foot wide blade, moving 125 cubic yards of material in one pass, a truly magnificent beast. XCMG R555. Weighing 169,000 pounds and spanning 50 feet, the XCMG R555 motor grader reaches speeds of 28 miles per hour. Its 599 horsepower engine powers a 7.3-foot wide, 20-inch long blade, excelling in open-pit mining, landform finishing, and high-load conditions with its robust, high-strength components. Caterpillar D11. For projects demanding high performance at lower costs, the Caterpillar D11 dozer shines. Equipped with advanced technology, including safety and guidance systems, its 633 kilowatts CAT C32 engine enhances efficiency, allowing operators to move more material quickly and cost-effectively. Bucket Wheel Excavator. The bucket wheel excavator, certified by the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest machine on Earth, spans over 2 soccer fields and towers above a 30-story building. Built in 1995 for coal excavation in Germany, it continues its monumental work today. E-Dumper. Prepare to be amazed by the E-Dumper, the world's largest electric switchblade vehicle. Capable of hauling 65 tons of lime and marl, this CO2-free machine, powered by a massive battery, reduces waste, maintenance costs, and noise emissions while promoting sustainability. Panther Series 2 Low Loader Range. Designed for the mining industry, the Panther Series 2 Low Loader Range prioritizes safety and ease of operation. With payload capacities of 880,000 kilograms to 1 million kilograms, it's adaptable to specific mine conditions and engineered for autonomous operation with superior safety features via its rear axle rotation system (RARS). Pat Walking Dragline. Similar to P&H's electric rope shovel, the Pat Walking Dragline uses a cable mechanism with a crane-style bucket attached by 2 ropes. It excels at lifting heavy loads in mining and construction, filling its bucket with minerals and dust upon rope activation. Silage Machine. This machine processes green foliage crops into silage through fermentation, creating feed for livestock. It compresses shredded leaves into plastic-wrapped bales, producing 60 bales per hour with adjustable sizes from 500 to 1,000 kilograms, saving time and energy. BellSaw 8000. The BellSaw 8000, an electric saw for cutting large logs, handles logs up to 27 inches in diameter and 30 feet long. Its 60-inch circular blade, powered by a 127-horsepower Cat diesel engine, cuts logs into pieces, which are then processed by a conveyor and splitter, producing 4 cords of hardwood per hour in any weather. Big Bud 747. The Big Bud 747, the world's largest custom-made farm tractor, built in Montana, farms 3 acres per minute with 1,100 horsepower. Measuring 27 feet long, 25 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, this $1 million tractor holds 1,000 gallons of fuel, making it a true agricultural titan. Antonov An-225. Designed by Soviet engineers to rival American aircraft, the Antonov An-225 was a colossal cargo plane used for transporting food, military equipment, and relief supplies since 2002. With a 640-ton takeoff weight and 6 turbofan engines, it held the record for the longest wingspan of any active aircraft until its reported destruction in the 2022 Ukraine War. Vibro Lifting Tool, VT. Cape Holland's CV320 VTU Vibro Lifting Tool, VT, features an append option, lifting 600-ton stacks without a grip or seabed frame. It positions and drives piles in a single operation, with an impact hammer recommended for certain soil conditions or long piles. Merlo RT600 TT. The Merlo RT600 TT, a heavy-duty auger from Sukhonoy, is designed for peatland leveling and profiling. Ideal for clearing bogs and developing agricultural fields, its unique auger and screw levers reshape terrain to stay dry even in rainy conditions. HBXG SD7K. For extreme conditions, the HBXG SD7K bulldozer excels in construction, desert oil fields, mining, and large earth-moving projects. Its 3,550 mm blade and 498 mm digging depth handle any task, with an 8.1 cubic meter capacity. John Deere 872 GGP. The John Deere 872 GGP motor grader, weighing 21,600 kilograms with a 22,453 kilograms blade pull, features smart-grade technology to protect components and 8 fingertip controls for ease of use. Its dual-track hydrostatic drive and 8-foot blade boost productivity with 495,000 pounds of pulling power. John Deere P995. The John Deere P995 marine excavator, designed for dredging, boasts a 2,346 horsepower engine and 398-ton operating weight. With a 7 to 25 cubic meter bucket and 26 cubic meter digging capacity, its Leica controls and elastic base ensure efficiency across seas and channels. Fractum Hammerhead. Since 2004, Fractum's rock-shattering technology has evolved, with 4 hammerhead models offering 80,000 to 300,000 joules of energy to break massive rocks. Positioned above the material, the hammerhead smashes it with a replaceable tip, compatible with various excavators using hydraulic oil. Rex. Bemmel's REX, a 160-ton mining truck, balances weight distribution on 12% gradients, offering easy access and high performance on narrow, steep roads. It reduces costs and environmental impact, traveling 4 times farther than conventional trucks while using 40% less fuel, with advanced monitoring and fatigue detection systems. Merlo-Crusher MJHS 311 STX. The Merlo-Crusher MJHS 311 STX, a forest mulcher and subsoiler, reduces organic material volume for mulch production. With advanced crushing technology, multiple rotors, and a revolving screen, it clears farmland by processing material 30 to 40 centimeters underground, ideal for tractors up to 750 horsepower. ModuleMax. Faymonville's ModuleMax transport modules with 2 to 6 axle lines handle on and off-road tasks. Equipped with 17.5 twin tires and a 3,000 mm width, it offers electronic or mechanical steering and modes like trailer or self-propelled for versatile heavy cargo transport. Dorina DM14. The Dorina DM14 grader thrives in harsh weather, excelling at belading, leveling, slope scraping, and moving soil or gravel. Its 14-foot blade, 30-inch digging depth, and 71-gallon fuel tank power this 36,300-pound, 30-foot machine at 16 miles per hour. RanchWorks Tandem Aerator. Built for agricultural irrigation and land management, the RanchWorks Tandem Aerator uses RanchTech blades and a heavy-duty steel structure for maximum subsoil fracturing. Its adjustable drum offset supports no-till or tillage applications. Savannah Global Solutions Rotary Brush Stick Rake. For cost-effective raking, the Savannah Global Solutions Rotary Brush Stick Rake outperforms traditional dozer rakes. It lifts stumps and roots into windrows, separating soil for clean burning or biofuel processing, handling 4 to 6 acres per hour. Lugong CLG B320. The Lugong CLG B320 bulldozer, designed for sand and gravel pit stripping, features a 10.4 cubic meter blade and a closed track bed to prevent debris ingress. Powered by a 257 kilowatts Cummins engine at 2,000 revolutions per minute, it's a reliable asset for project sites. SDLG G9220. The SDLG G9220 motor grader balances traction and blade downforce with a 164 kilowatts Deutz engine and ZF PowerShift transmission. Its 3 power curve settings ensure smooth grading and reduced fuel use, with a 16,500 kilograms operating weight and 8,175 kilograms blade downforce. Dresda TD40. The Dresda TD40, a 384 kilowatts bulldozer at 2,000 revolutions per minute, is the most powerful crawler dozer, ideal for heavy-duty tasks like road construction. Its semi-U blade combines straight blade penetration with increased capacity from short wings. Liebherr T284. The Liebherr T284, an evolution of the T282C, is an ultra-class mining truck with a 300